Welcome back to MotorMax, your go-to destination for everything on two wheels. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated motocross releases of the year, the 2025 Yamaha YZ-500. This beast of a machine has stirred up the off-road community, bringing back memories of raw, unfiltered power. If you're a fan of high-displacement dirt bikes and cutting-edge engineering, then you're going to want to stick around. A bold return to big-bore brilliance. Yamaha has finally answered the call of motocross enthusiasts who've been craving something with more bite, and they've done it in a big way. The YZ-500 marks Yamaha's re-entry into the big-bore two-stroke category, a segment that's been quiet for far too long. This isn't just a rehash of the legendary YZ-450 from decades past. The YZ-500 is a completely modernized machine designed to dominate today's tracks and trails. At the heart of this monster lies a newly developed 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, designed with lightweight materials, improved cooling efficiency, and Yamaha's latest power valve technology. Riders can expect a wild but controllable surge of power, with torque that pulls hard across the rev range. Whether you're blasting through whoops or powering up steep climbs, the YZ-500 delivers. Frame and suspension, designed for control. To handle the aggressive power output of the 500 cubic centimeters engine, Yamaha didn't hold back on the chassis. The YZ-500 features an updated bilateral beam aluminum frame, engineered for optimal stiffness and rider feedback. Weight distribution has been carefully tuned to maintain agility, even when things get sketchy at high speed. On the suspension front, Yamaha brings in KYB's latest SSS speed-sensitive system, forks and a fully adjustable rear shock. This setup ensures that the bike handles sharp impacts and rutted corners with poise, offering both race day precision and weekend warrior comfort. Modern touches for the modern rider. While the YZ-500 pays homage to its roots, it also embraces modern advancements. Riders will appreciate the addition of selectable power modes, which allow for adjustments in throttle response and ignition timing based on terrain or rider preference. A digital handlebar-mounted display provides real-time information like RPM, engine temp, and maintenance reminders, a rare feature in the two-stroke world. Additionally, the YZ-500 includes a launch control system and a lightweight electric start, making it far more practical and race-ready than its old-school predecessors. The bike also features Bluetooth connectivity via the Yamaha Power Tuner app, giving riders the ability to fine-tune their engine mapping straight from their smartphone. Ergonomics and styling built for the rider. The YZ-500 isn't just a powerhouse, it's also designed with the rider in mind. The ergonomics have been refined to offer a natural, aggressive riding position. From the narrow seat profile to the strategically shaped fuel tank, everything is crafted to give the rider more control and comfort. The styling is bold and unmistakably Yamaha, with sharp plastics, blue and black factory-inspired graphics, and minimalist bodywork that complements the aggressive nature of the bike. It looks fast even when it's standing still. Who is the YZ-500 for? This bike isn't for the faint of heart. The 2025 YZ-500 is built for experienced riders who crave big power and have the skills to handle it. Whether you're a motocross veteran looking to dominate the open class, or a trail rider who wants an adrenaline rush on every ride, the YZ-500 will not disappoint. That said, Yamaha has done an excellent job in making the power more manageable than expected. With tunable power settings and improved handling, this bike offers versatility that makes it more accessible than previous big-bore models. Final thoughts: the legend reborn. The 2025 Yamaha YZ-500 is more than just a dirt bike, it's a statement. Yamaha is proving that there's still room in the motocross world for big displacement two-strokes, and they've done it with style, performance, and innovation. This bike brings together nostalgia, brute force, and modern engineering in one unforgettable package.